Hey guys, LJ Bowman 9 here, and today I'm gonna be playing some more Big Win Baseball. Probably just be another pack opening, but still, just open some bronze packs. Maybe a few. Okay, glove, making contact, and 2 contracts. Pretty good. Let's see. More contracts and 2 making contacts. That's pretty good. I'm gonna open a gold pack. Okay. Well, I'm still getting add skill, power, but I was wanting a player. Well, one more. Okay, please be a player. Yes, we got a player. So right fielder. And we got 2 add skills. That's pretty good. And a gold uniform. Nice. Well, that seems like a pretty good opening. Let me put in this guy. And let's see, Kershaw. What does he already have here? He's already got a curveball, so I'll put on the slider. And what's this one? No, he doesn't need a glove. Let's see here. I'll put the contact on Trout, I think. Yeah. Bronze. And then silver. Okay, that's good. I don't want that on there. Okay. I think he's good. Power, contact, glove. I don't know. I think that'll be it for this pack opening though. So, thanks guys. See ya. Bye.